What's the time?
The time is right to go. It's 7:20.
Late na naman kami. The tower. Good morning. You need a new watch, Papa. Morning. Naglalakad kami. Nagbabawas kami ng taba.
A new legs and a new
New
head.
legs, new
head.
new body. Kailangan daw ng new body. Bababa kami sa river. Dito kami maglalakad. Para exercise, di ba? We need to do some exercise. Mukhang ano eh. Hindi maaraw, hindi pa maaraw. Dito kami sa along the river maglalakad. Diba? Ganda dito pag winter. Mga ganyan, no? May pa-falls. Diba? Nature. Nature tayo ngayon. Ganda. Dito sa plaza na to, pag Christmas, dito nilalagay yung Christmas tree na malaki. Di ba? Yeah. National Palace of Museum. Umiinit na. Kagandahan talaga dito kahit saan, ano? Pwede ka mag-bike nang walang nang meron kang ano, designated na ano sila, yung kulay red. Para sa mga runners tsaka ano, bisikleta. O, diba? Ito nami-miss ko sa ano eh. Sa ating daily exercise. Nakakapaglakad ka, nakakapag-bike ka. Lagi, anytime sa labas.
This is the main gate of
Ito yung National Palace.
춤 한 번 못 추고 또 여름엔
Raul.
파도 속
Ayan. Uphill na kami, uphill. Going uphill. O, di ba? Uphill. Almost 5 kilometer na kami.
약속인지
Anmok rental. Si Cindy nagtatrabaho sa ganyan. Ano niya? Extra niya, extra. Extra income. Gugutom na asawa ko. Gusto na mag-breakfast. Ayaw niya ng Starbucks. Pinipilahan sila, oh. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng ano, ng coffee shop. Ano kaya meron dito? Nakapila sila. Oh, what's going on here? Something going on. For something. They're queuing for something. Sabi nga daw, kung saan daw maraming pila, doon daw yung masarap. Ayan, oh. Haba ng pila, oh. Mga small shops. Ang dami na lang coffee shops. Pero walang bukas. What's the time, Papa? What's the time?
It's 9 a.m.
9 a.m. but still close. Supposed to be pagka, di ba, coffee shop. Kailangan maaga. Maaga bukas na. Kung saan sana kami nagpunta para makapagkape. Naghahanap kasi ng croissant yung asawa ko. Wala kaming makitang croissant. Finally, may nahanap na kaming coffee shop. Breakfast muna tayo. Dito kami sa Neon Market. Wala lang. Kasi naglalakad-lakad pa rin kami. Hindi pa rin kami tapos maglakad-lakad. Kaya dito, pasok kami dito. Yun yung asawa ko. Wala pa mga tindahan eh, mga ano. Hindi pa bukas. Ang oras na. Mag-alas 10 na. Balik na kami sa aming hotel. Nakaka 10 kilometer na kami. So, enough for today.
Where's the
Enough exercise for today. Dito kami sa supermarket. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Galing kami sa supermarket doon, no? Kaso lang nakita ng asawa ko kung paano piniprepare yung mga pagkain. Dito ulit kami sa Myeongdong. Myeongdong Market. Magla-lunch kami. Pambili ng mga pasalubong, beauty products. Diba? Daming restaurant. Everything here. Oh, Crocs.
special price?
Pogi! Uy, Cindy, I want to go to Cat Cafe. When are we gonna go? Ngayon sa Din Tai Fung magla-lunch. Lunchtime.
This is cold.
Dito ulit kami sa DDP Design Laboratory. Yiganshim Exhibition Hall. Ito yung in-architect ni Zaha Hadid. Ito kami ng museum anniversary ng Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Ito pala si Hello Kitty. Anniversary ng Hello Kitty. Museum.
가을바람은 쓸쓸해도 그 쓸쓸함에 기대어 고백 한 번 하려 했는데 사람들 벌써 겨울에 가 있고 올해는 가도 내년엔
Punta kami sa coffee shop. Every afternoon should be in the coffee shop.
모를 꽃은 또 피겠지.
This Hanbok Village. Hanbok Village. Naliligaw ako. Naliligaw si auntie. Daming mga shopping, coffee shop.
올해도 이렇게 가시나 봄바람에 일랑이듯 주말로 멈추고 또 여름에 하루 소리 한번 못 듣고
Maybe we all share.
Maybe you want this?
Was it Chelsea?
Go get it.
Oh, I don't know. Have to text her.
They said this one is okay.
You want that one?
Yeah, we try.
3 or what?
꽃은 또
가야지 해서 갔더니 No, I'm not.
You remember that?
Ice cream. The umbrella, Natala. It's ano no? Like this? And then like this. Like this?
들은 벌써 겨울
I don't know if they're gonna. One small crab. You want cheese ball?
약속인지 원망인지 모를
It's from Fridays.
Some little crabbies.
네, 하나 주세요. 와우. Can you put that one? 감사합니다.
Do you want to add? You can.
What is that?
Kimchi. You want some kimchi? Chili oil paste, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. 감사합니다. Wow, her japchae. Oh my god, her japchae. What do you rate your japchae, Mama, compared to the one you make at home?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy. So they put the noodles inside of the pot and then they cook the noodles, as you can see. Oh,
You want to try?
that's a lot.
Lassie, you want to try?
All the glass noodle. Whoa. Whoa.
But it's spicy, ah?
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Spicy, ah?
Wow. Whoa.
Good, though.
Whoa. 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 Wow.
It's good than the one in the
Gwangjang Market. Better than Gwangjang Market, she says. What do you think, Papa?
Hey, come again?
What do you think?
Yes, I think
What did you think of the japchae?
I loved it. I loved it.
He loved it so much. Oh, the chili. What do you think about the crab, Chelsea?
Oh, it's crabalicious.
You have crabs? Wow, the sauce? Mama, you have to learn how they make it, huh?
so good.
Oh, then we put all the yapchae, the tangun, the onion. Yummy. Wow, is that not hot to touch? Oh.
Now he has a double.
Exactly what Chelsea just said.
Yeah. It's quite a lot.
Worm that they just had,
Yeah.
and you know. No, worst case scenario. Because they have the
Oh, wow.
making it.
Fresh one. Financer namin, no? Nakalabas yung pera. The finance. Samida.
I can do it, you say. And then your hands will be frozen.
What are you getting? Oh my gosh. 100-second ice box. Akala ko talaga itong Our record was 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Wow.
Don't think about that. I don't have to go 7 minutes.
That helps if you talk.
I eat ice every day. Is the hospital your
Oh my.
Why would she start sweating?
So hot.
10 more seconds.
Oh my gosh.
8, 7, 6,